Good morning. We've left Port Arthur this morning and we are heading down to Cape Pillar. These are the really tall cliffs that you come around if you don't cut through the Denison Canal. The ones behind me are 300 metres high. We've just pulled into them and they were spectacular, and the ones up ahead are over 900, so we're really looking forward to see how big these are. We'll get the drone up and get a bit of perspective shot of how small we are in relation to the size of these cliffs.
There must be water that runs through that section. Yeah, I reckon.
Look at that. It doesn't go in far, but imagine being in there.
No. It's a seal plane. Oh, the crab, the soldier crabs.
Here's an oyster for you. Look, oyster mussels. You take that back, put that in your pasta.
But that would have cut your feet still.
Oh, no, they're not too quick. What about oyster? It's perfect. It's like a cut for you. You ignore it. He doesn't want him. He's a big scar.
Now I want you to start those
you need to bury, guys, because otherwise you get stepped on.
So they've got a different shell? They're not the same as the Queensland ones. It's actually quite different in facial shape and shell shape. Well, he ain't slowing down.
I know.
This is perfect. I'm only 100 metres from the beach.
So just got a cheese platter and oh, that's wallaby. That's struggling. All right, go guys. What do you think? What do you think of wallaby? Nah, can't do wallaby. They hop around. They hop around. And we got smoked salmon. Smelly cheeses.
Just try a bit.
Nope. Nope, it's a poppy wallaby.
Well, we've just ducked down to the neck at Bruny Island, which is just over my shoulders. We're just going to duck into the beach and go have a look at the lookout. Once again, conservation park, no drones, but I'm going to launch the drone just over the water here because that's not part of it, and get a shot from the side. It looks quite spectacular, I reckon.
And the wind just picked up.
Oh, I can't pass me my mask. Oh, I want to get out. Pass me my mask or I'm getting out.
I don't have a spare hand.
Oh. It's bloody chilly. It turned the heater off. Jesus.
We're spinning now.
Aye. It's going every which way. We're off to go see the fairy penguins if we're lucky. Alright, let's go. Okay, let's change of clothes. Apparently you meant to wear black so that the penguins can't see us.
Someone to give me all the
Alright, I'm not tired, so You better. Alright, take two. How many steps is it? 200 steps. Oh, let's go. Oh, up we go. So this is what we're here for. We're here for the little penguins, or the fairy penguins. Hopefully we're out the wind over the side now. The wind's gone offshore. Lucky we got here before the rush. Alright, now we sit and wait till the dark and we can't see.
Karen has a rule for Chris, apparently.
I'm not allowed to talk. I had to go back and get changed.
Yes, black. Phone on silent.
My jocks are black too, it's alright.
And no talking, inside voice.
No, not even
No,
an inside
no,
voice.
This is going to be Chris's struggle to be quiet.
So we're just waiting for the little penguins to get ready to go. But we've been here a half hour already, nothing's happened, I'm getting bored.